In this video, I will show you how to change your Facebook password in just a few simple steps. Regularly updating your password is essential for keeping your account secure and protecting your personal information. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Click on the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Settings. Next, click on Account Center. In the Account Settings, click on Password and Security. Now click on Change Password. If you manage multiple accounts, select your profile. You will see the option to change your password. Enter your current password in the first box. In the second and the third boxes, type the new password you want to use. If you suspect someone else has access to your account, leave the box checked to automatically log out from other devices. Finally, click on Change Password to save your update. And that is it. Your Facebook password is now updated. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password that is hard to guess. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech videos. Thanks for watching.